Yeah, we're live right now. Cop got somebody, bro. Oh, that's the new Z4, dude. It's got the B58. Got 8 people up in this bitch, bro. Cop got somebody. Oh, a little camera action. Shit. Sheesh. Let's see who this bull got. Oh, you got like, I don't even know. That's GTSC, huh? Yeah. Dude, when we go to the Hoon spot, it's gonna be sick.
Yo, this RCF is insane.
Dude, he pulled over this neon, bro. Oh my god, dude, look at that shit. Woo! Dude, why is he pulling over a neon out of all these cars? Yeah. Cops, bro. Oh, there's a Veloster N, bro. Right there.
Oh shit.
There's a RS.
Okay, I was like,
There's so many cars here. RS. That's actually, I think, the M340.
Daytona.
Pretty sick. Charger gang. $335. Oh, dude, there's a Skyline right there.
R32, right?
Yeah, there's a G-Wagon too. Jesus Christ. Sheesh. We are at Denver, Colorado, everybody. It's fucking cold as shit.
How many people alive?
4 right now. There's been like people filtering in and out, bro. Not bad. Oh yeah, it's M4, bro. So GTS package, bro. You got the GoPros. That's how you know you're getting gapped. That's how you know you're getting gapped right there, bro. The GoPros. Sheesh. Oh, there's a Skyline, bro. Is that right-hand drive too? Yeah. Is that R32 or R33? Oh, dude, I think this is the car I saw before with the fake M badges. Oh, you can't start this shit, bro. Where's all the muscle? Oh, you want to see some muscle? We're going to show you the Trackhawks, bro. Go show you the Trackhawks up in this bitch, bro.
What up, faggot?
Hold up. A lot of trucks, bro. Doing a giveaway at 10K, by the way, guys. So run that shit up. track ops at? Mustangs up here. The CTSV. Yeah, pickup ain't starting, bro. There's a Trailblazer SS, bro. That's pretty sick. This shit got a fat cam in it, this vet. There's an RCF right there with the wrap, bro. It's an M3. Now here's Trackhawks, bro. Y'all say you want to see some muscle. I think so sick, bro. The wrap's nasty. What? Dude, that thing is so sick, actually. God damn. Yeah, bro. It's 300 cars. I'll go live later. About to hoon all this shit. About an hour, probably.
So those are the C6. That's a C6.
Yeah, bro. That's the one with the fucking fat cam, bro. Then we got Trackhawk up here. Sheesh. Fat supercharger, bro. So tough. Y'all want stickers? Oh, yeah, I can give you. Oh shit, yeah, bro. Fuck it. My B. Y'all want stickers? No. They don't want stickers. They're not about it. It's an M3 over here. Stinger, bro. Not bad. There's a bunch of Hondas here, bro. It's super boosted. There's a whip right there, boys. It's daily. Daily up in here. Cops got, he actually pulled over a Neon out of all these fucking cars. A fucking Dodge Neon, bro. What a dick, dude. He fucking pulled over a Neon out of all the cars here, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this, boys. Reppin'. Cop that shit up, bro. Yo, this shit gapping everything, bro. Hood exit. Mazda 6 turbo, my guy. Hella people here, bro. Slam little John, bro. Some Type R's. It's an M5 up there. GTI pulling up. Oh, there's
That's the M5, right?
Yeah, that's the M5. It's a Nismo fucking 370. Evo 10 right here, bro. What's that, bro? Sheesh. Alright, boys. I'm gonna end it off here. We'll be back when they start fucking hooning and shit. Peace.